Today I'm going to teach you how to accept an invite in Microsoft Teams. This is a simple process that allows you to join meetings and collaborate with your team members quickly and efficiently. The first thing you need to do is locate the invitation link that was sent to you. This link could come through various channels such as email, a chat message, or even a calendar invite. In most cases, when someone schedules a Teams meeting with you, you'll receive an email notification containing a clickable link. This link is your direct gateway into the meeting room. Once you've found the invitation, go ahead and click on the link. This action will automatically open Microsoft Teams, either in your web browser or in the desktop application if you have it installed. The platform will recognize the meeting request and prepare to connect you to the session. After clicking the link, you'll be taken to a preview screen before joining the meeting. This is an important step because it gives you a moment to prepare before you enter the room with other participants. On this screen, you'll see options to adjust your camera and audio settings. Take a moment here to check that your camera is positioned correctly and that your microphone is working properly. You can test your audio by speaking and watching the microphone indicator to ensure it's picking up your voice clearly. You might also notice options to turn your camera on or off or to mute or unmute your microphone before joining. These controls give you the flexibility to join with your preferred settings. If you're joining from a noisy environment, you might want to start with your microphone muted. Similarly, if you prefer not to appear on video, you can toggle your camera off before entering the meeting. Once you've adjusted your settings to your liking, look for the button that says Join Now. This button is typically prominently displayed on the screen, often in a bright color to make it easy to find. Click on Join Now and you'll be connected to the meeting immediately. And that's it. You've successfully accepted the invite and joined your Microsoft Teams meeting. The process is straightforward and ensures you can quickly connect with colleagues and team members whenever needed. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.